So guys, my name is Saurav Sekar and you are watching me up on Kolkata Cuttings. So guys, लाइफ में कभी ना कभी तो हम लोग इंटरव्यू देंगे और many of us has given already. But ऐसे भी लोग हैं जिसका मैं जानता हूँ फर्स्ट टाइम लाइफ में इंटरव्यू देने से सबकी वाट लगती है. The thing is that ऐसे कौन इंटरव्यू देता है भाई, देख लीजिए.
Hi, myself Vilas Tambe. I am from Kolhapur, district of Maharashtra. I am BA graduate and also doing MA from Shivaji University. I love cooking and singing and also wrestling.
Tell me a little about your work.
I am portion of so many creative events like Lavani and Bhangra. I have lots of natak and also always doing roadside natak.
I guess इसका नाम नाटकबाज होने से अच्छा होता, right? Because you do lots of natak.
My most famous natak was Ai Shapat. It's most successful natak in Kolhapur.
Roadside natak and famous natak, natakbaaz.
I always winner of Rangoli Spardha every year. I even talk to Madam Urmila Matondkar on phone, but that film was never happened.
वो फिल्म क्यों नहीं हुआ पता है आप लोगों को? बिकॉज बहुत सारा नाटक कर दिया, तो वो सोच रहा है इतना टैलेंटेड नाटकबाज को हम कैसे लेंगे. ए छोड़ दे, मूवी नहीं कर.
So why do you think you should be a creative officer?
Because I am creative. I told you before. I culturally forward person. I think hard.
I think hot.
Seriously, what the fuck are
I am team player. I think differently.
Have you worked for clients?
Of course, ma'am. We got sponsor for our natak.
उस नाटक की उसको स्पॉन्सरशिप भी मिला. Everyone should do नाटक from today. नाटक.
Completely handling brochure, logo, poster, and all other requirement creative. I did for all.
Will you adjust in Sharjah?
Yes, of course, ma'am. I can adjust everywhere. But yes, respect, ma'am. If you adjust quarter for living, I will be bring my wife also and my children also. It's more adjustable for me.
Lots of नाटक. His wife will be doing नाटक. वो नाटक करेगा, उसके चिल्ड्रन नाटक करेगा. अभी तो जम के नाटकबाज होगा.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
जय नाटकबाज की जय.
Please look in front of you. The camera is here, right here in front. So please look straight into the camera. Yeah, that's right. Look into the camera.
Stop it. Get some help.
Give us an introduction of yourself. What is your name?
Mary Sebastian.
Okay, Mary. Now can you tell me something about yourself?
I am nurse.
Okay, that's nice. So how many years of experience do you have?
5.
Would you like to tell me a little more about that?
I go to baby nursing college. Then I go to hospital at Thrissur.
Okay, that's good. Tell me about a crisis situation at clinic that you may have faced. Crisis situation at clinic.
Patient come with full blood to hospital at 3 o'clock in the morning. I treat with full first aid kit. Doctor tell Mary well done.
Doctor tell Mary well done. Well done. अरे ताली बजाओ ताली. Well done.
Patient go without blood.
Nice.
And give me 150 rupees.
Patient goes without blood. वो blood छोड़ के चला गया 150 रुपया दे के चला गया ब्लड।
Okay, anything else? Anything else that you've done at the job?
I do heartless injection.
What the fuck?
I do injection no pain to the patient.
भाइयों और बहनों, आज से हम लोग हार्टलेस इंजेक्शन देंगे, इससे 1% भी दर्द नहीं होगा। शाबाश।
Okay, so now tell us why you think you're suited for a position of the hospital floor supervisor.
I am good nurse.
शी इज अ गुड नर्स। ठीक है, चलिए।
And
I am a good nurse and a honest nurse.
anything else?
Everyone speak Malayalam in Gulf.
एवरीवन स्पीक्स मलयालम। व्हाट? क्या पूछ रहे हो, क्या बोल रहा है? वर्स्ट इंटरव्यू एवर।
So tell me about yourself.
Good morning. Madam ji, I am Vijender Dullar from Panchkula, Haryana. We are land family Jimidar and all land gone now. Mother gone, father gone. I am looking for job.
मदर गॉन, फादर गॉन, लैंड गॉन, टोटल गॉन केस।
I am completing B from IGNO civilian engineer जी। और मैडम जी my hobby watching homely movies।
ऐसा होता है भाई, लोनली बोल रहा था, जुबान से होमली निकल गया। सॉरी सॉरी बोल दे भाई, इंटरव्यू देते हो।
and workouting in gym।
So why do you think you're suited for the position of site inspector?
Madam ji, I am old construction come nature to me। Negotiation, selling, buying land, I can do very well। And madam ji, I have deep knowledge, madam,
डीप नॉलेज।
and if you keep Vijender with you, you are finished, madam ji।
So what do you think are your strengths?
मैडम जी, देर इज वन सेइंग इन हरियाणा, देसा में देश हरियाणा, जित दूध दही का खाना। मैडम जी,
Stop it. Get some help.
तो मैडम जी, मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम आई लिफ्ट अप ऑल द वेट इन जिम। मैडम,
I meant to ask about your professional qualities.
मैडम जी, आई एम प्रोफेशनल बट कंस्ट्रक्शन इज फॉर मैन। एज यू कैन सी, नो वन कैन मेस विद मी and take me right away, and I don't let them get away. Women cannot do.
Hi, so tell me about yourself.
Sir, I am sitting in front of yourself.
सर आई एम सिटिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू। भाग, वो मैडम है भाई।
Myself Rakesh Mohanty, and I am technology mad. But if you will ask me what is my passion,
पैशन।
I will say hardware. But this is for the first time I am doing on Spike.
अरे यार, वो स्काइप होता है भाई। स्पाइकी इसको बोलते हैं, ऐसे खड़ा जो होता है ना बाल, उसको स्पाइकी बोलते हैं। स्काइप को स्पाइकी।
Pardon, sir?
पार्डन सर। क्या है यार?
Okay, not, go on.
Sir, I am from Jharsuguda. I studied 10th Saraswati Sishu Vidya Mandir. Graduate Cambridge Institute, Ranchi. Not from England. No.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
And I am putting my screwdriver everywhere.
स्क्रू ड्राइवर कहाँ गया? वो लेके भाग गया। वो स्क्रू ड्राइवर कहाँ है?
And seeing what is happening. I am a hidden scientist.
Okay, so what experience do you have?
Sir, I am working with BSNL telephone company. Whenever the line goes off, I ride the telephone khamba and make the line good. And during my spare time, I chat on girls on Facebook.
ए पापड़ी चाट कौन खाएगा? पापड़ी चाट आप लोग खाओगे तो देखिए.
And also I collect pan masala wrappers. I have a huge collection, almost 2000.
And how do you see yourself progress in this career?
Sir, I will have a fruity career in your steamy company.
नेक्स्ट वाला जो बंदा है उसका आई मीन वो डांसर है प्रोफेशनली. सब लोग देखिए क्या.
Tell me about yourself.
Myself, Ronojoy Guhatakurta. Actually, I am from Rourkela, but I am born in Baroda in my uncle's house, uncle's place, and now I am in Asansol. I enjoy speeches and music, and I am an accomplished dancer. Thanks to my scintillating body shape. Actually, this is all thanks to my aggressive dancing. If you want, I can stand up and show my full profile.
No need. So why did you apply for this position of Marine Superintendent?
Actually, I am a good swimmer, and I have a national award in champion in West Bengal in my school level.
You don't have to swim. You have to supervise a ship.
চলবে
চলবে সব চলবে চলবে গুরু চলবে
চলবে supervising coming naturally to me. I have done many supervisor work, you know, and I have supervised 2 years in on jetty near Habda for 2.5 years, and supervising all kind of supervising, loading, unloading, lifting, shifting, all supervising happen under my nose.
अंडर माई नोज.
And I do supervising very skillfully and strictly.
Tell me about yourself.
My good name Bholaram Mishra.
जय भोला भोलाराम मिश्रा.
I am pure Brahmin. I passed away from Devta College in BSc Biology.
वो तो मर गया. तू कौन है?
What work experience do you have?
Work experience, last I worked with Mr. Rameshwar Tiwari. He is a farmer. We grew pumpkin, brinjal, lady fingers, big fingers.
बिग फिंगर्स क्या होता है?
I am also worked as a part-time job in Harbans Lal Coaching as a teacher.
Have you ever worked in quality control?
No, sir. I did not work there. But I think that you will give me a chance for my bright careers. You know, sir, everything is first time. Just believe in me.
What do you know about fertilizers and quality control?
Fertilizing is my passion. As I told you that I worked with a farmer. Many times we grew up top quality vegetables.
Experience.
But I am most excellent. I stood first in school and inter. In local newspapers, I came many times. People of Bijnor call me Bijnor का बादशाह.
हम लोगों का गाने वाला बच्चा और ये बिजनौर का बच्चा. Solid setting.
That's why I am applying for this quality control. Myself good quality.
Okay, where do you see yourself 5 years from now?
In coming 5 years, I see myself that I am working at your company.
So if you like this video, then do subscribe, like, share and comment. And actually कुछ नया सरप्राइज आने वाला है इस चैनल में. So stay tuned, stay happy and सब्सक्राइब करके जाओ. बाय.